Alright, I got the Kilisteels rechargeable AA lithium ion batteries. I also have a set of AAAs here. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. The packaging this came in was very nice. You get instructions that come with them, and it comes in a nice plastic case so you can store them away when not in use. These batteries are a little different than the rechargeable batteries that I'm used to. They are able to recharge via this USB Type-C port. That is USB on one side and 4 Type-Cs on the other side. The way you recharge is it actually has a Type-C port right on the battery itself. So here they are charging up. So when they're charging, they're flashing. And when they are completely charged, they will turn solid green. And you can see the first set turned solid green. I kind of like this idea better than having to plug a charger into a wall outlet. This way I can just charge them on my desk and keep an eye on them. According to the manufacturer, these batteries are good for over 1,200 charges, and they only take an hour and a half to fully recharge. I got these fully charged up. Let's put a meter on here and see if they're getting the amount of voltage that they're supposed to get. All right, let's test them, see what they come out at. Yep. Exactly where it's supposed to be. Now this one. Yep. Exactly where it's supposed to be. Alright, good. Alright, I feel like batteries like these will be great for low voltage devices like remote controls. Something that's not going to pull a whole lot, but be great to have rechargeable batteries for, like this remote control. Let's try them in this green light thing here. Let's see how they work. Yeah, there you go. Looks great, perfect for that. I can't see any type of rechargeable battery holding up for very long on something that has, say, a motor in it. I'm going to go ahead and use these for my home remote controls. I think they're going to be perfect for those. Anyway, these are the Kilisteels rechargeable lithium ion batteries.